Make sure you've let the car cool so you don't have to work around a hot engine. The belt is located on the right side of the engine. Looking down on it, you will be able to see the belt tensioner, red arrow, as well as the alternator, yellow arrow, and the AC compressor, green arrow. You will need to take the tension off of the tensioner to get the belt off first. The tensioner has a nub on the top outer portion. You can place a 16mm wrench, yellow arrow, on this and turn it clockwise. Make sure you mark the direction of the belt before you remove it if you're going to reuse it. Turn the tensioner all the way clockwise and insert a retaining pin between the rotating part and the tensioner base, red arrow. If you do not have a retaining pin, you can use a 3mm Allen key. The rib belt is ribbed on the inside, red arrow. If you are reinstalling the belt, make sure you mark which direction it was running in before removal and that you do not turn the belt inside out. With the belt removed, you can remove the tensioner. There are 3 13mm bolts, red arrows, holding it to the engine. One of the bolts is hidden below the tensioner. The yellow arrow is the alternator bolt. After removing the 3 bolts, you can remove the tensioner from the engine. This photo illustrates the location of the holes, red arrows, in the tensioner bracket. The new tensioner should arrive pre-tensioned. This image illustrates the routing of the belt. Installation is the reverse of removal. Make sure the belt is properly seated on all of the pulleys and that it follows the right path. If you are reinstalling the old belt, make sure you mark the direction it was running in before removal and that you do not turn the belt inside out. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.